E-Track is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. E-Track is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to E-Track that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at Mytee Products E-Track Tool Holder. It is perfect for holding hammers, rakes, and any other tool you may need to store in your trailer. It's constructed from heavy-duty polyurethane, so your tools will stay put. Simply slide the tool holder into an E-Track slot. Now you can drop in your tools. The days of having tools sliding around the floor of your trailer are over. The Mytee Products E-Track Tool Holder will help you stay organized, allowing you to get more work done faster. Haul safe, earn more. That's the Mytee Products way. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your E-Track tool holder today.